dito sa inyong proceedings, itiniming naman itong pasabog nitong di umano'y mga dating sundalo na naging kasapakat daw sa pamudmod ng higit 800 billion pesos na nakalagay sa male-maleta, 'di ba? Napamudmuran na raw ibang mga kasama niyo diyan sa Kongreso. I forgot lang, no, kasama ba kayo sa nakatanggap daw?
My name is included in the affidavit of the 18
Okay.
ex-Marines, no?
Okay.
And I wish to take advantage of this opportunity as well, Christian. I vehemently deny having received that alleged maleta, no? Alam mo, Christian, simula nung lumabas itong isyung ito, I was not bothered at all eh. Kasi upon seeing the affidavit, it is totally concocted, no? As a matter of fact, ang daming mga inconsistencies at ang unang naging reason kung bakit masunog sila is the inclusion of Congresswoman Laila De Lima, which during
Yeah.
that time is not yet a member of the House, 'di ba? So,
Mm.
I was not bothered at all when I saw that maleta, that affidavit. But since we are discussing about it, so I'm taking advantage of this opportunity. This is the first time actually that I will be addressing that issue. And I will
Okay.
reiterate, I vehemently deny having received that alleged maleta.
Pero nung basa nyo doon sa expose na iyon, na tiniming dito sa impeachment proceedings at saka doon sa ICC, confirmation of charges hearings.
I share your view, Christian. I share the view of many people na this is designed to discredit the ICC proceeding, including the impeachment proceeding, no? Kasi tama ka eh. At tagal na pala nangyari eh. Bakit ngayon lang nilabas? 'Di ba, Christian? So the timing is very, very, very suspicious.
Okay. Pero yun nga, dahil merong ganyang pasabog and that's being amplified by many DDS supporters online, did that somehow affect you in terms of your handling of the proceedings? Kumbaga, baka mas nag-ingat kayo. Teka lang, merong ganitong efforts, no? Merong ganitong amplification.
Ako, Christian, na since I assumed my duty as Justice Chair, even prior to this impeachment proceedings, I've been very diligent and very strict when it comes to the implementation of the rules, no? And I adopted the same approach, the same character, the same value when we started this impeachment proceeding. I think and I observe, mas marami naman yung naka-appreciate the way we handle the proceeding compared to those who are questioning the credibility of the proceeding. So I think, Christian, I was able to maintain, preserve the integrity and credibility of the impeachment proceeding which we just presided. We continue to preside, Christian.